Okay, so we'll go to the folder. And this developer guide we have written. Notes we have made in that. We have written here few classes. Like there we have mentioned, according to Bootstrap, whichever the device we use in the market, according to Bootstrap, whichever the device we use in the market, all the devices are of how many types? 6 types. All devices are 6 types. One is called extra small, second is small, then medium, large, extra large, and double extra large. Now extra small, what size of screen we can say extra small? So those screen that is up to 576 pixel width. Next after that, those screen that width is up to between 577 to 768, we can call it a small device. Those screen screen is 769 to 992, call it a medium device. 993 to 1200, call it a large device. Then 1201 to 1400, call it a extra large. And more than 1401 pixel, call it a double extra large. Now Bootstrap says like for each type of device, whichever the 6 types you have, for each type of device, there will be 12 classes from the Bootstrap. So that we have listed here, call -1 to call -12, call -1 to call -12. Okay. For the extra small, call SM1 to call SM12 is for the small device. Call MD1 to call MD12 is for the medium device. Yes. 1 minute. Hello. Yes. Yeah, it is there, but we'll call you somewhere 12 o'clock. Yeah, we will call you at 12. Okay. Next, after that, for medium device, we have class MD1 to MD12. For large device, we have a class call LG1 to call LG12. Extra large, we have call XL1 to call XL12. Double XL, we have for the double extra large, that is double call -double XL1 to call double XL12. Overall, these classes are 72 class. Okay, these 72 classes are going to help you to create the page in Bootstrap responsive page that will work in all the devices. Now, how to use these 12 classes for one device and how to use the 72 classes for all type of device. Some rule regulation we have to make, you know. So developer guide, hope everyone have got. Now come to the developer guide. In developer guide, you will write here note while creating web page using Bootstrap, follow these steps. While creating web page using Bootstrap, follow these steps. While creating web page using Bootstrap, follow these steps. What is the step? Number 1, in head section, link to bootstrap.css file from dist folder. Okay. In head section, link to bootstrap.css file from the dist folder. Next, after that, you have to use the body tag. Next, we have to use the inside body, follow these classes. Inside body, follow these classes. What classes? A, container. B, container hyphen load. Container and container load. Inside body, follow these classes, container and container float. What container will do? You can write here. It has margin from left and right. Container float. It has no margin, so it cover full width. It has no any margin, so it cover the full width. Okay, hope written. Now create a file. Give the file name called grid system1.html. Grid system1.html. In Bootstrap folder. Grid system1.html in Bootstrap folder. Grid system1.html. In which folder? Bootstrap folder. Grid system1.html in Bootstrap folder, where you have kept all the files. You can verify like this. After creating the file, go to the folder and check there grid system is there or not. It should not be in different folder, else path will not mismatch. Path will be mismatched and you will not get your file. Okay, grid system1.html. Minute, maybe some calls to me. Hello. Hello. Yeah, hello. Yes, yes. Kirtana will be available tomorrow. See your name. Okay, 10:30. Okay, you can. You can start the session, no then. OTP. OTP has come. OTP should not be there. What it's showing, it's waiting for the OTP. Okay, one minute. I will check once. Hold on. OTP connected. Yes. So this file, grid system file, what it says like first in head section, you have to link to the bootstrap.css file. So go to the bootstrap grid system file, HTML you can start from. Head you can write here. Head, use the link rel equal to style shift and then href equal to dist slash css slash bootstrap.css. Dist css bootstrap.css. Follow the body tag. Link rel style set href equal to dist css bootstrap.css. Next, after that, it says like inside the body, you have to use the class called container. To use a class called container, under the container, write some text, 3-4 line. Write some text of 3-4 lines. Now same thing you copy and paste after this. Write here for container hyphen load. Give a BR between both. Okay, hope done. Container and container load. Save the file. This line should be proper link line, what you have written. Dist CSS, bootstrap.css, that line should be proper line. Any difference between container and container load? This is from container and this is from the container load. Container will have maximum width 1100 and container float width have 100%. From beginning to last, this 8 pixel gap by default from the body side. Okay, so container, whenever we want to cover the full width, we will use the container float. And if you want to cover the little space from left and right, then you will use the tag call, which class call container. Okay, hope working. Now change the text color here to understand really it is working or not. Text hyphen danger, red color. Text hyphen primary, blue color. Text danger and text primary. First one will come red color and second will come as a blue color. Here, blue and then red. If red blue coming, then this is from the Bootstrap utility class. That is for the text coloring purpose. We have list of classes. We are going to make a note. Anyone who's not working?
हाँ? क्या अब देखना भाई थोड़ा अभी तो इसी मेरा यानी क्लास चलते रहेगा तब ना पता चलेगा
Okay, go next. Now we'll leave this file and we'll work for the next file. In the next file, we will see Bootstrap rule regulation is not only this much, many more are there. So the grid system 1.html has file explain you the difference between container and container load. Container and container load, right? Next example, we will create for the 4 and 5. Rule number 4 says like inside container or container float, whichever you follow, container or container float, inside container or container float, follow a class. That class name is called row. Okay, follow a class. Class name is called row. This row class height is auto and width is 100%. Height is auto and width is 100%. Row class height is auto and width is how much? 100%. Okay, next after this, point number 5 says inside the row, follow columns. Inside the row, follow columns. But how many column minimum and how many column maximum? It says like number 1 or A, you can write minimum 1 column and point number B, maximum 12 columns in each row. In each row, minimum how many? 1 and maximum how many? 12. Minimum 1 and maximum 12. Inside each row, inside the row, we have to follow the columns. But again, question will come, how many columns? So 1 minimum and maximum how many? 12. If you look into the grid system here, everywhere it starts from 1 and goes till 12. Start from 1 and go till 12. Any device, start from 1 and go till 12. Everywhere 1 to 12, 1 to 12, 1 to 12, right? So how many columns total? Total we have called 12 columns inside each row. Inside the each row we have total 12 columns. Okay, now let me open the calculator. Okay, calculator, and under this we will write call. हेलो, यस, अभी आ रही है ना सेकंड फ्लोर में, आज कथा के सेकंड फ्लोर में. Okay, so next what we have is in each row how many columns? 12. Minimum and maximum, minimum 1 and maximum 12. Now here you can see I have written here width for each row is here how much? 100%. So overall it says in 100% of the width you can make maximum 12 columns. Now suppose assume I have 100 here, 100 means 100% divided by 12. The width for each column is this much, 8.33. 8.33 is the width for each columns. Okay. Remember that. You can write here. आ गया है. Okay, so we can write point number C called each row, not each row, each columns. Width is 8% 8.33% we can say for all type of device. Each column width is 8.33% for all type of device. In mobile phone also you open 8.33. Large screen also you open 8.33. Whichever the screen you open, in each screen the width will be 8.33%. Okay. Now here the concept is that necessary to use every time 12 columns? Or sometime we can use 6 column also, 4 column also, 3 column also, 1 column also. How that? Let me show you one website. Our website only will open, or maybe, okay, let's open this website. Look at here. In one line, how many blocks are there? In one row, how many columns? 4 columns. Total, how much you have in one row? 12. In each row, how many total columns? We have written here. It is nothing like new. Look at here. Max column, how many? 12. So if you look at this photo, and then if you remember, in each row, we have maximum number of column as a 12. Maximum number of column we have called as a 12. Now, in this line, you can see in this row, total 4 columns are there. Like suppose total you have 12 mango, and we need to distribute into the 4 people. 12 divided by 4, each one will get 3, 3, 3. So look at here. This one column, the first column width is 8.33 is for 1. And you can say 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, and 3, 12. So 8.33 into 3. 8.33 into 3. 12 divided by 4, how much will come? 3 will come, correct? Now 3 into 8.33 means 25%. 25, 25, 25, 2500. Look down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In one row, how many? 6. Now 12 divided by 6. How much will come? 2. 2 will come each. Now 2 into 8.33. Correct? Means 16 point something, 66%. Okay. Let's go to this website now. Okay, come down. You can see total 6 are there. Total 12 divided by 6. How much? 2, 2, 2, 2 everywhere. In this total 2 are there. This is the one and this is the one. But this is not equal column. It is non-equal. Total how much we have? 12. Suppose if I give here called 4, then remaining how much? 8. 8 will go to the right side. Look down. You can see these all are covering in the full area. So how much it should be? 12. If you consider about this. So 12 divided by 4, 3, 3, 3, 3. If you look at here, 2 block total, half. 12 divided by 2, 6 and 6. Here also 4 are there, here also 2 are there. Now, suppose consider for this section. Now total how many are there? 3. Now 12 divided by 3. How much will come? 4. So we found somewhere 1, somewhere 2, somewhere 3, somewhere 4, right? Somewhere 8, somewhere 5. Look at here. In your class list, those numbers are there or not? Numbers are there. 1 is also there, 2 is also there, 3 is also there, 4 is also there. Complete implementation of these 12 classes, if you understand properly, then 50% your bootstrap will be clear. Okay. So in here what we wrote, we will remember this line. In each row, if you are writing more than 12 columns, then the 13th number column will go to the new line. Because 12 column will occupy the full width. Now a space will not be in the right side. So what will happen? 13th number column will go to the new line. Here it says minimum 1 column. Minimum 1 column, what it represent? Minimum 1 column represent like when you are creating a row, then entire width, if you want to keep only 1 column, then you can use this class. Which class? Not double XL, yeah. Use anything. XL, MG, LG, anything. But which number you will use? 12. Because you want to cover how much width? Full width. Yes. In case, let's go here. Suppose, come to the next file. Create the next file, grid system2.html. Right here, grid system2.html. You can create the next file. Grid system2.html. You can take the copy of 1. Grid system2.html. Take the copy of 1. Okay. Remove the second container fluid. Let it be container only and delete the contents of this. Delete the text danger also. Now the first number rule is you have to call the bootstrap. Second number, you have to use the body tag. Third number, you can use the container or container fluid. So we have container now. Now inside container, what we need to do? Inside container, we have to create the row. You have written here already. Inside the container or container fluid, which class you need to follow? Follow the class called row. So we are going to write here a division class equal to which class? Row class. Division class equal to row. After that, inside the row, what will come? Columns will come. Minimum 1 and maximum 12. Now we are going to write inside call hyphen LG1 and keep as a hello. Okay. So total column, how many we have? 12. Out of 12, you have used here how many column? 1. Call LG1 we have used. Right? Total was 12. From 12, we have used 1. Remaining how many? 11. So let's write here call LG1, 4 times. Save it. Check once. All 4 are coming in the same line or it is going to the new line. Same line. If it is the same line, what it represent? Same line meaning call LG1 occupy 8.33%. Another one occupy 8.33%. Another 8.33. Another one 8.33. Okay. So let us check here where it comes. It come in the same line. Now total how many columns you have? 12. 12. Total stock is how many? 12. Each row have total how many column maximum? 12. Inside the 12, how many used? 4. Remaining are 8. 1 you can write 8 times. Or 2 you can write 4 times. Or 4 you can write how many times? 2 times. Or 8 you can write only 1 time. Your wish. How many column you want to create? Okay. So create now 8 times. Hello, hello, hello. Like call LG1, write 8 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Save the file and check once. Your all the 12 should come in one line. Happening. So all the 12 should come in one line. As soon as you write 13th hello, write 13 number hello, it will not come in same line. It will go to the new line. It will go to the new line because there will not be any space. Space will not be there. It will go to the new line. Space will not be there. It will go to the new line. So it represents if you want to create a row completely with a single line of content, then we should not exceed by 12. We should use maximum 12. If you use 13, then it will go to the new line. Okay. So we'll remove the 13th one. Now after this row, write one maybe HR tag you can write, no problem. So anyone unable to implement? Okay, go ahead next. After this HR, create one more row. Division class equal to row. Inside that row, we will use call LG2, call LG2 6 times. Call LG2 6 times. The row will go to the new line. This is the second row. So it will go to the new line only. But inside the second row, total how many columns? 6 columns. Save now. See, total how many? Total are only 6 columns. Next, after this, create another row. Next row will be call LG 3. Call LG 3. Three, 6, 3, 9, and 12. Three, how many times? 4 times. You can see now. This will also cover the full width. Create the next row. There we will create only 3 columns. So each row will take 4, 4, 4. Division class equal to row. We will follow here. Call LG 4, 4, 4 3 times. 4, 4, 4. 3 times. You can increase the content if required. Check now. Working 4, 4, 4. Now after that, what will come? 5 will come. So 5 plus 5 plus 2. 5 and 5, 10 will occupy. After that, 2 will be pending. We can use here. Write the next HR. Create a row. Inside the row, call LG5. One more 5. And one more called 2. Check now. It will give total 3 columns only, but 5, 5. 2 will be 5, 5, and remaining will go to the last. That is called 2 calling you 2. Call LG5, call LG5, 5, 5 how much? 10. The remaining is 2. Okay, hope working. 5 plus 5, remaining is 2. Like this. This both are equal, this is non-equal. Create the next row. Of 6 and 6. 6 and 6. all LG6 one, all LG6 one more. Last you can remove. Created. One is 6, another one is 6. Now create one last 12. Create one more row in the last. That should be of 12 completely. All LG 12. Same content, copy paste 3-4 times. It will cover full width. Okay, hope ready. 12 is working. Full width like this. This is total how to create row column, but we have used only one class. That is all called LG. SMMD we have not used. Okay. Only we have used call LC. So what do you think? Look like easy or complex? Hmm? Look like easy or complex? You are not writing the CSS. Everything is ready-made. Okay. Go to developer guide. Write the list of classes for color combination. Classes for text color. What are those? Dot text hyphen danger. Red color. Text danger. Text info. Sky blue. Text success. Green. Text hyphen danger already written. Warning. All yellow. Extra hyphen primary blue. Text hyphen white color. Text hyphen secondary gray color. Text hyphen black color. Or right below for background color. Same thing I will copy paste here. Classes for background color. Background color. Text will change into the BG danger, info, success, warning, primary, white, secondary, black. This is what happened? Check. operator for text color as well as background color. Text color we have this all, background color we have this all. हाँ सदा क्या हो रहा है? अच्छा फ्री हो गए तो थोड़ा आइए ना, ये वो सिस्टम में थोड़ा वॉइस करना है, डाल के देखेंगे चलेगा तो चलेगा, नहीं तो ऑर्डर करेंगे ऑनलाइन। वो अपना सामान भी लेते आइएगा, कौन सा स्क्रू ड्राइवर। हाँ ठीक है। Okay, then we'll see you on again next week. Sunday, family day, many dependency. Okay, so this is enough for one day. Remember this. Next
Sir,
day
tomorrow our class will be on 9:30, na?
Monday to Friday we have Bootstrap. Okay, and Saturday, Sunday we have regular class. The regular class, what time you are attending? 9:30.
9:30.
Remains same, no changes in that. Okay. 9:30, no changes in that.
Okay, sir.